हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज एशलिन डिसोजा और आप देख रहे हो एशलिन एक्सप्लेन्स। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू ट्रांसलेट अ फुल वेब पेज इन एनी ब्राउजर। यू कैन यूज इट इन योर लैपटॉप और इन योर कंप्यूटर। Method number 1. First, we open the web page of our choice. Right click anywhere on the page and you'll have an option here, translate to whatever language. Mine is currently Hindi selected, so I'll just click on it. इधर आपको एक option आएगा. You can choose English, you can choose Hindi. If you want to choose any other language, there are multiple languages over here. I will choose German maybe. And the entire page will be translated to German. If you want to switch it back, just click over here and switch back to English. And right now our page is back to English. Method number 2. अगर right click करते टाइम आपको ये translate करने का option नहीं मिलता, then you will have either 3 dots or bars or anything. Basically go over here and all the way down to settings. आपको जाना है language में, scroll all the way down and basically use Brave Translate. In our case it's Brave, in your case it can be Chrome, Edge or any other browser. तो अगर ये option off है तो आपको translations नहीं मिलेगा. Just turn it on and choose any language that you want. I'll choose Hindi. If you want to add any extra languages you can add that off as well and just go back. Now when you right click it you'll get an option for this directly. Also ये जो भी translate होता है this is only for the text, not for images. कोई भी images translate नहीं होते हैं. It's just for the text. And just in case आपको कोई web page partially translate हो रहा है, then उनका particular website का ही problem है. It's not on you, you cannot change it. If they are dynamic sites, वो partially ही open होते हैं. And अगर फिर भी नहीं हुआ, close your browser, reopen it, then you will have the option for translate. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel.